Romance with your boyfriend is about creating special moments and deepening your emotional connection with each other. It can involve sharing intimate conversations, going on dates to new or favorite places, and expressing affection through gestures. Surprise him with thoughtful gifts or plan a fun activity that you both enjoy. Remember to listen to him and show interest in his thoughts and feelings. Whether you're in a long-term relationship or just starting out, these tips will help you keep the spark alive and deepen your connection with your boyfriend. Let's dive in. Number 1. Cook together. First up, cook a meal together. Cooking can be an incredibly intimate and fun experience that helps you bond with your partner. You can start by picking out a recipe that excites both of you, then head to the grocery store together to gather ingredients. Once you start cooking, work as a team chopping vegetables, stirring sauces, and plating your creations. As you cook, you'll naturally engage in conversation, share laughter, and enjoy each other's company. Plus, the satisfaction of enjoying a homemade meal you've prepared together is truly rewarding. Whether you're trying a new recipe or making a beloved dish, cooking together can create memorable moments and strengthen your relationship. After you've finished cooking, set the table and enjoy your meal together. Take your time savoring the food and use the opportunity to relax and reconnect. You might even want to light some candles or play soft music to create a cozy and romantic atmosphere. The act of cooking together and sharing a meal can foster a sense of teamwork and intimacy that enhances your relationship. Number 2. Planning an adventure. This could be a day trip to a nearby town, a hike in nature, or even a road trip to a new place you've never explored before. Planning an adventure helps you both break out of your routine and enjoy new experiences together. Start by talking about what kind of adventure you both want. Once you decide, look up information about the place and plan your trip. You might find interesting spots along the way, like cozy cafes or beautiful parks. Getting ready for the adventure can make both of you excited and give you something to look forward to. While you're on your adventure, stay open to surprises. Take different paths, try new things, and enjoy being in the moment. Exploring new places and trying new experiences can bring you closer and strengthen your relationship. After your adventure, talk about what you enjoyed the most and think about planning another adventure in the future. Planning adventures is a great way to keep the romance alive and make wonderful memories with your boyfriend. Number 3. Leave love notes. This is an easy way to show you care. Writing a little note with a sweet message can make his day better and remind him how much you love him. You can place the note where he'll find it unexpectedly, like in his bag, under his pillow, or on his desk. If you can't see him in person, send him a kind text message. The note can be short and simple. Write a compliment, a thank you, or even a favorite memory you share. It doesn't need to be fancy. A small "I'm thinking of you" or "you make me happy" goes a long way. Leaving love notes often keeps the romance alive and shows your boyfriend how much you appreciate him. It's a small gesture with a big impact on your relationship. By leaving love notes, you keep the connection strong between you two. These notes can help create moments of joy and surprise for your boyfriend. He'll know you're thinking of him even when you're apart. You can also get creative with how you leave the notes. Try hiding them in his favorite book, sticking them to the bathroom mirror, or putting them in his car. Experiment with different places to keep things fun. Number 4. Happy couples talk. Good communication is essential in any relationship, and happy couples talk about their feelings, concerns, and experiences often. Choose a good time and place to have an honest chat with your boyfriend. It could be during a walk, over dinner, or while sitting on the couch together. Being in a relaxed setting can help both of you open up. When you talk, listen carefully to each other. Show understanding and don't interrupt or judge. Ask questions and share your own thoughts kindly. This way, you both feel heard and appreciated. Happy couples also talk about their dreams and goals for the future. Sharing these helps you stay on the same page and support each other. Remember, communication isn't just about serious topics. You can also share fun stories, jokes, and everyday moments. By talking openly and regularly, you strengthen your relationship and build a strong connection. Make time for these conversations to keep your bond with your boyfriend strong. Number 5. Share your favorite music. Music can bring you closer and create strong feelings and memories. Make a playlist with your favorite songs or albums and listen to it together. You can take turns choosing songs and explain why you like them. Sharing your favorite music introduces your boyfriend to your tastes and what different songs mean to you. He will learn more about you and your life. Ask your boyfriend to share his favorite music too. This way, you can understand him better and discover new artists and genres. Listening to music together can lead to great conversations about your past and emotions tied to certain songs. This can make your bond stronger and help you connect on a deeper level. So, put on some music and share your favorite songs with your boyfriend for a fun and meaningful experience. Number 6. Watch the stars together. Let's talk about watching the stars together. Spending an evening under the night sky can be romantic and calming. Find a quiet place away from bright lights, like a park or open field. Bring a blanket to sit on and maybe some snacks or drinks to enjoy. Wear warm clothes if it's a cool night. Look up at the stars and enjoy the beauty of the night sky. You might see constellations or even shooting stars. Use this time to relax and enjoy being with each other. Watching the stars can lead to deep conversations about life, dreams, and the future. It's a great chance to connect on a meaningful level. Appreciate the quietness and peace of the night. Watching the stars together can create special memories and bring you closer. So, find a cozy spot. Take your boyfriend and spend an evening stargazing for a romantic and unforgettable experience. Number 7. Plan a tech-free date night. This is a fun way to spend quality time with your boyfriend without any digital distractions. Choose a night when you both agree to put away your phones and other devices. This lets you focus on each other and enjoy the moment. Pick an activity you both like. It could be cooking dinner together, playing board games, or just talking and relaxing. The goal is to be present and enjoy each other's company. If you go out, leave your phones at home or turn them off. Go to a nice restaurant, take a walk, or watch a movie without checking your devices. A tech-free date night lets you connect better and have meaningful conversations. You'll give each other your full attention and strengthen your relationship. So, plan a tech-free night and enjoy quality time with your boyfriend without distractions. Number 8. Compliment him. Finally, let's talk about the importance of complimenting your boyfriend. Giving him compliments is a simple way to show you care and appreciate him. Tell him what you admire about him, like his smile, kindness, or sense of humor. Let him know how he makes you feel or how he positively impacts your life. Be specific with your compliments. Instead of just saying you're great, mention something specific he did that you appreciate, like making you laugh or helping you out. Compliments can boost his confidence and strengthen your relationship. They show you notice the little things he does and that you value him. Make it a habit to compliment him often. Whether it's a quick remark during the day or a heartfelt message, your words can make a big difference. So, remember to compliment your boyfriend often and let him know how special he is to you. That's it for today's video. I hope these 8 easy ways to do romance with your boyfriend inspire you to add more love and excitement to your relationship. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Psyche Up for more content like this. See you next time.